driving my car around the neighborhood when all of a sudden I saw two birds in the middle of the road. They were playing, they were flying around, they were chirping. Bird! Bird! Well, my car came driving up to the bird. And I know they say in driving books, if you see animals in the roads, don't swerve your car because you could hurt yourself or somebody else. But I have empathy. I have a heart of gold. I swerved my car and I saved the two birds' lives. Bird! Bird! But the car behind me wasn't as considerate. They came running over one of the birds, killing it, and the bird was dead. Bird! Bird! You're dead on the ground. You don't make a sound. Bird! Bird! You're dead on the ground. You don't make a sound. Then I pulled my car over to the side of the road and I watched as the second bird came running up to its friend and it began pecking at it. I wonder, do birds have complicated minds? Do birds grieve the loss of a loved one? If so, this was a really tragic scene that I was witnessing before my eyes. Was it saying, oh my God, I just lost my best friend or my family member. I'm so upset. Or was it saying, Chuck's insides taste good and I'm getting a nice, nutritious, and delicious meal. I don't know. Do birds have complicated minds? I'm not really sure. Bird! Bird! You're dead on the ground. You don't make a sound. Bird! Bird! You're dead on the ground. You don't make a sound. I like to think birds have complicated minds, and they grieve the loss of a loved one. So before you carelessly run over an animal, before you carelessly hurt a creature, say to yourself, do they have a loved one? Will somebody miss them when they're gone? Because if the answer to the question is yes, this was a really tragic and heartbreaking scene that I was witnessing. I was witnessing the birds! Bird! You're dead on the ground. You don't make a sound. Bird! Bird! You're dead on the ground. You don't make a sound. And its friend was grieving the loss of a loved one.